Welcome to this crochet tutorial. Today we're making a beautiful decorative coaster with a floral twist. It's perfect for protecting your tables or giving as a thoughtful handmade gift. You'll need 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet inspiration. Let's get started. For round 1, begin with a magic ring. Chain 2, then repeat the following 8 times. Double crochet increase, chain 1. Join with a slip stitch. Great job on completing the first round. Tip: keep your tension even to make your foundation nice and round. Now let's move on to round 2. Chain 2. Then repeat this pattern 8 times. Make 3 double crochets, chain 2, skip. 2 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. You're doing amazing. This round starts building our petal-like structure. Tip: stitch markers can help you track each section. For round 3, chain 2. Repeat this sequence 8 times. 5 double crochets, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet. Join with a slip stitch. Wonderful progress. The coaster is really starting to take shape. Tip: if your work starts to curl, gently flatten it with your fingers. Let's begin round 4. Chain 2, then repeat 8 times. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet in the same stitch. Then chain 5 and skip 7 stitches. Slip stitch to join. This round creates the openings around the coaster. Tip: loosen your chain 5 slightly so it doesn't pull on the round. For round 5, chain 2. Repeat 8 times, 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, then 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1. Join with a slip stitch. Great work continuing to build texture. Tip: count your stitches after each repeat to stay consistent. On to round 6. Chain 2. Then repeat this 8 times. 5 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, 2 double crochets, and 1 more double crochet increase. Join with a slip stitch. Your coaster is blooming beautifully. Tip: slightly loosen your tension to keep the circle flat. Let's crochet round 7. Repeat the following: single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches. Continue this around the circle. This round softens the design and prepares for the decorative edge. Tip: make your chain 4 loops uniform for a clean look. Now for round 8, repeat across the round. Single crochet, chain 4, turn, skip 1, slip stitch, chain 3, single crochet. You then move to the next loop, slip stitch to join. You're almost done. This round adds a gentle lace effect. Tip: take your time, the details matter here. Let's finish with the flower accent. Start with a single crochet, then chain 12. Turn, skip 3 chains, and make 9 double crochets into the next stitch to form a W shape. Chain 3, slip stitch to the base. The final touch adds charm and a bit of fun. Tip: shape the flower petals with your fingers after finishing. And that's it, your coaster is complete. It's cute, functional, and full of personality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe for more cozy crochet projects. Thank you for joining me, and happy crocheting!